Hi there, I'm Birgit O'Connor, and welcome to my studio. Now, I just got up into the studio and it's a little messy, so don't look at it. You can peek, but it's not pristine. And the message I had was from somebody wondering how to create a clean line drawing so they can deliver it to their students, or maybe they wanted to just enlarge the image. So basically, let's say you have an image like this. You can see I have a painting back here, and this is going to be an upcoming workshop that I think people are going to love because it teaches you the basic techniques for my larger paintings, and we're just doing it in a smaller format. So basically, here's the design. You can crop it down to however you want. And then to make a clean line drawing, take a picture of it, then take a screenshot, open the image. You would just trace over it like that and decide whatever size you want it to be. Try to keep it on one sheet of paper and then go to Rapid Resizer, upload it, and then change the size. Now, there's different ways that you can actually go about doing this. You can take a color image, a posterized image, or one where you just have a colorized image and then expand it to whatever size that you want. But if we are talking about having that line drawing, the easiest way to do it is to copy your line drawing from your original photograph, or let's say you have, or you freehanded your design, and then bring it over to Free Picture Stencil Maker. Go to scan an image from your device, choose your image, and upload it. And voila, you've got it. Now, if the lines are too thin or they don't look right, try these things right here. So basically, if I'm using a permanent Sharpie marker, I will go to adaptive, and that usually cleans it up to where I'm really happy with it. Now, you can also go ahead and make it darker or make it lighter. The things that you might want to play with are these little tools down here. You can go from sharp to soft and make cleaner lines, and you can also make them lighter or darker, and you can play with edges right here. So there are different things that you can do. Then you can decide what size you want it to be, then download it. Now, this is just an image file down here, or if you want the larger size right here, you can go to download PDF. Like here, this one's 15 by 8.5 inches. If you want it to be proportional, keep this clicked. If you don't care or want to change it, you can unclick that and then make it whatever size you want. You can stretch it out. Let's say I wanted this to be a full sheet painting. Now, the proportions are going to print it out like this, 30 by 17 inches. But a standard size sheet of watercolor paper is 22 inches. So I'd have to unclick this, put that in, and let's see what happens. It's a little squished, but it gives you the idea of what you can do. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to 17 inches. Then you can see how it's going to print on panels. And if you click here, you'll get a little outline around all the boxes. Your panels will be numbered, so it's easy to assemble. And there are lots of things that you can change here. And then if I wanted to download it, I would click that. It's going to be sent to me, and then I'm going to open it up, and you can see what it's going to look like before it prints. Now, I think in order for you to download the multiple panels, the resized images, I think that is a paid program, and it's not very much. It's well worth the money, especially if you're teaching or want to expand a size of an image for yourself. It's just a fabulous program that I really enjoy, and it makes it so much easier to teach my courses. So I think you'd really enjoy that. And just take a look and explore it. The link's going to be below in the description. And if you're interested in this little painting back here, we're going to talk more about it. So until next time, have fun and happy painting.